Nice and lovely. Welcome back to the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo's Juice Bar channel. Anyway, I'm gonna share a recipe with my fans to say, guys, you know what I mean, natural ingredients do work. First of all, I have almost a whole cucumber right here. Now what I'm going to do is cut it up very small, and I'm going to put it straight inside of my Ninja blender. This will be for like a weight loss drink. We're going to use some ginger. Alright, the first thing I would say to my fans, please remove the skin from the ginger. I would say that, please guys, remove the skin from the ginger. I'm not going to be using like a big piece of ginger. It's just a simple little piece of a ginger. And then cut it up very small. Put it straight inside of a Ninja blender like this. Get a lemon, cut it to half. Remove the skin from the lemon. Remove the seed. Just look if you see any seed and just remove it. Nice one. Add a glass of water. No honey, nothing, natural. And then blend this. And we're going to blend this for about 3 to 4 seconds and we're good to go. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I just finished blending it. 99% of cucumber is water, and then 5% is just, I would say, that's fever, like, you know. But basically cucumber is really good for detoxing your body and also weight loss. With the ginger and the lemon do works really well. I would encourage my fans to drink this one. This one is really good. Cucumber, lemon and ginger and water. Blend it up and drink this every morning. And as you can see, that looking so lovely and refreshing and nice. And you know what I mean, you don't need to put any honey or, you know, sugar or anything in it. Natural, and that is good to go. You can drink this up to 5 mornings straight, and honestly you will see some result in your life. You can blend it and drink it and bring it to work, drink it straight through the day, and it's good to go. Cucumber with ginger and lemon and water. Weight loss drink and diet drink and detoxing drink also. I will see you next time. Bye bye. Again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Anyway, I'm going to make a smoothie. It's very simple smoothie today, guys. It's gonna be just some strawberry and ripe banana and some milk. Something that's simple and easy and unique. All right. So first of all, I'm going to be cutting up some strawberry. Put inside of my Ninja blender like this, my smoothie blender. Just like this. You can do the same thing at home. Buy yourself some strawberry. Cut up your strawberry and put it straight inside of the Ninja blender like this, or your ordinary blender. I'm just using an ordinary blender because my Ninja blender, I do love it, but it makes too much noise sometimes, so I don't really use it a lot. Alright, nice one. I'm using a lot of strawberry because To be honest, I love strawberry, and I'm gonna be using half of a ripe banana. Just cut it up inside of it like this, cause this is gonna blend really fast. Alright, then I have some milk which I'm going to be using. Hopefully it doesn't cover up the blender. Oh my taste. Anyway, and then what I'm gonna do is just gonna simple cover it like this. And I'm going to blend it for a few minutes. One thing with the Ninja blender, very fast. If you like, you can put a little bit of honey, but I just believe that the strawberry is sweet enough for it to just bring in that nice lovely flavor. Looking good. Let's see what's going to happen. Yeah, looking really nice and lovely. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Something like this. That's it. Finished, done, and blended, and you know what I mean. All I have to do and bring your drinks today to work and share it with some of your co-worker. Tell them that you saw this recipe and Chef Ricardo YouTube channel, as you can see. Not only that, it also is coming up to Valentine, where a lot of people are going to make something red, and I mean, cause you know, it's something that's unique and something totally different. So please, hope you will enjoy the recipe, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipe similar like this. A strawberry, ripe banana, and milk, good to go. Especially it's coming up to summer, few months left for summer. So you know what I mean, a lot of people are going to do different kind of things, different kind of ideas, and different kind of things. What do you think about that nice lovely juice? Really fantastic, really nice. I must say, I want to take the time out to say thank you so much, guys, for you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also leaving your comments. The YouTube channel is growing, not really fast, but it's growing slowly. But hopefully we will come out to the best in the future. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned, don't go nowhere, and I will see you next time.